welcome to episode 2 of our mini-series. I've touched over gas fittings in our travel series, however I've just got a lot of emails and a lot of messages asking me to do it again as I stuffed it up a few times. So we're going to show you how to do the French fitting. So I was going to do it outside, however it's raining at this point in time, so I'm going to do it inside with this bit of hose here. You need 2 tools. You need your screwdriver and you need a shifter or a spanner, something like that. The pack comes with this here, so this tube that goes inside, an O-ring, the tightener and the actual valve itself. Okay, so what you'll need is the hose clamp. You'll probably have to buy those as it doesn't come with the kit. That goes straight on there like that. Then second of all, you'll need the tightener that tightens onto the valve, that slips on over the top. And then to make it easier for this to go in, we put this in hot water, which makes the rubber a little bit more malleable. But for purpose of a quick video, we'll put it in like this. And then the O-ring goes over the top of that seal just there. Push on like that. This one comes up over the top, so it ends up looking like this. And then your clamp goes over here like this and tightens up with the screwdriver. Your valve then simply screws in like so. Tighten it up with your shifter like that. And then your French gas bottle, essentially, literally click it on, turn it on, and then this green button over here pushes the gas through the system. So we've just gone over how to put on a French gas fitting. The reason why you might have to do that is if you're going through France or another country and you find that you've run out of gas. We tried to refill our UK gas bottles, however the only place we could find is once we arrived in Spain. So there you have it.